Well, quick one, unofficially, Idin Num Abitudja Fukumasi Asante Kotoko Board of Directors, no, but we unofficial, let's state it on record. But Idino, apparently, Diane yet, you know, Hain Shadan Science, Nipa 5, according to the deep truth source, yen say, can say, Bako and Aminu, at least I have 7-member board. That's the information I'm saying. So let me take you through this. Nana Kojo Jemfi of Exim Bank also on the screen. You know, he's part of the new Kumasi Asante Kotoko board, which is set to be appointed. And the other screen is Siano. And so a opinion friend Mr. Kosi Ofori. Yes, Mr. Kosi Ofori, the CEO of Edmark Company. And currently the other son name said Joshop Sikani Kasiabako. Ashanti region or Ghana has a shop on it mensia relationship no a top notch na say he'll come for not project a sika utria for this particular project no enye sika ketwa kra. And then currently a board member IMC chairman ono so yate se be promote no na wako onto the board. But quick one na memfa profiles no muntentem Nana Kwadwo Jemfi yenina nim say CEO of Exim Bank, apparently 2020 appointed Dr. Kwame Che board na oka home. We understand say the dean is part of Idia Ebeba Bontain. We a unofficial. And Opening Kwesi Ofori is the CEO of Edmark onunso ejawo no hopa see betimi a reflect quite well also na part he has been part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko board pen on that screen so no sisia as we speak also din abetodwa say he's part of the incoming board and none other than Alaji Abulamin on the screen so on the die-hard Kotoko supporter on also Wiskapa Idia Eba Bonteno on also we are hearing say the team account without any slight shake of doubt. Board no any idea about 7 na say 5 we according to information say can say they are all inclusive subjected to any change about last minute. Then IMC chairman Mia Madienina Nana Kuntumpuni Aferehene, which is IMC chairman. And I'm a Jumo Bay or born homo dingabe shark crowds of folk back to back. No, we cannot do without him see a forming new board and not what a bit of the transition flavor no abba new board. No, in the last 1 year he has virtually been in a helms of affair of Kotoko nti ono no be criticize balance no of the outgoing and incoming normal blended they are forming the now. So this is what I'm hearing concerning Kumasi Asante Kotoko new board. Edimi no be ba home I likely say ba ko be board chair and no information am it foforo ese sign ya me de be bro e wo fie ha super 12.